Hello everyone, here's another video for market OTC. In this case, we're going to use only one indicator. This indicator has been used in any channel's strategy, but let's try it out with a simple criterion. So before I start the video, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and choose one. Let's start with the configuration. Go to the time frame right now, alright? So let's go with that, guys. So classic candles in 30 seconds on time frame. Alright, you're going to use 1 minute and half. The initial amount $21. Let's go to the indicators. We're going to use Williams percentage. It will be an indicator we're going to use. Let's configure the Williams, guys. Set the candles applied. Period level settings, alright, and that is normal for you, so just open that. 14, alright, and that be with the entry criterion, guys. Trade with the strategy is that simple. You will get an entry for the max criterion, and when you find it, that is alright. We just got to wait for the Williams line cross the red line on the green line, and that is all. Alright. When what's interesting right here, guys, we got an entry. Okay, you're using the sell button for that one. So the price reaches this point, always bounce back. It's usually reject my entry. So the market is today so awful. So let's try this. It's in the generator here. Wow, this candle would change the projection. But hey, this can sometimes happen in 5 seconds. It just enter the look and the candle disappears. And the candles wasn't there, but it's okay. The expiration time for this strategy is 1.5 minutes. We need to pay attention on this. Alright, that is very important. So we'll wait to see how the position turns out. And look at that, guys, our first win on that. All JNZD OTC. Even though the price has been volatile, guys, the price ends up rejecting. Look, it's failing. It's falling, alright? That's the direction. I choose it as right, and though in the end, the price falls in well. I give us the first win. We have the first success, and that's good. And look for another entry. The amount right now, $4. And it's against mid-trend, I have to wait for the configuration. An example here that's it's falling, then his break support, it's against this. I'm not necessarily going to enter. I'm going to wait for this to have sure. Or need confirmation last one floor. That's how this should have been this war. In this range, it could wait and this can trade upwards. It couldn't be. Look at that. If just outside the boundaries, that's the confirmation we need for the data. Let's wait for this right now. It's falling again. It's not going past there. And that's the point here. That's range the price could be go back up. Let's see what it does and the indicator shows me. Alright. And it gives me then the upward entry. May wait for the confirmation, guys. You see if it get an entry on this pair. So that's good. Now rejects and the ranger again. We got this. Let's show the seconds position for that. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Oh, look at this, man. That's just going up very fast. It's good. Now that the payout dropped to 71, that is not good. The kind of payout is still acceptable. Then secondly, the further explanation would be very good because sometimes I have to see this very clearly. No, it's not that we're going to jump right away. It's so like get an entry. Sometimes you have to wait for tests. And when you wait for tests and confirmation and reject and pullback, that's when I have the best chance of winning the position. So wait until they have this to see what's happening with the second position. Alright, 2 seconds on that. And we got the second one, man. The B positive one. Well, I'm talking about the range. $6-8 in the total. Not the range rolling on that, guys. I can trade this range at extremes waiting for confirmation. I'm not going to jump it. Although you can win that way too, but I wait for confirmation, avoid losing second position. That's pretty nice. So, and another data points. Let's see that. That is a good one. Again, to position for that. Let's wait for that to run. Position good. Made it does this. My account balance is increased to 689. 70% again, 71. We got a good downtrend here, as you can see. Just get back to the channel lateral trend, and that's way good for us. We need to wait for that, guys, to have a confirmation. This market's more difficult to predict based on the movement that sometimes occur because of the lateral trends, right? So that's unexpected because there's no sale of that type here. But wow, that's part of this market. We have to live with that, right? That's the last entry, guys. We got this. Outside the boundaries, let's wait for that. In the case I'm going to look for another one. Look at this downtrend, right? What I mean for that, just get a downtrend. Good for that. Look at this, guys.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
Position the pair like this. That's pretty nice. Let's watch. The price is falling while this big movement the price gets here. It doesn't go through this back here, right? It does grow and gives the confirmation. Here's the strategy cross, but a very close answer doesn't happen. It's canceled the minimum while I have the Williams indicator telling me that it's going down, as you can see. Sometimes when the fellow far sharply, and look at this, guys. The 31 for now, this wire here, $118. We got this as success. All right. The last trade worked perfectly while the price is testing. That is good. I might wait once more and wait 1 minute. That way I don't suffer. Well, we can predict when the price is going to fall suddenly and go down suddenly, or when the price won't rebound. But anyway, this strategy worked well. I quickly increase my count 21 to 119. Make 100 with the simple strategies. It's good work. And we just need to get patient. Need to study that. No jump to conclusion. Not going to fall. I have to wait for this, guys. To confirm this stand below. I invite you to leave your comments into this. Let's see what you think about this strategy and the trend indicator so on. The idea is that you try to steer that in the demo accounts, make some few operation. Let's do. Guys, leave your comments. See you soon on the likes in another video and risk management. Don't worry about this. Just remember, see you on the next video. Have a good day and see you guys. Bye bye.